Hi Megan, I'm Shima. I'm going to be your PT today, and so what we're going to have you do today is we're going to have you perform a single stage submax cycling test, also known as the Astrand test. And we already have you warming up right now at 0 resistance at 50 RPM, and we're going to have you do this for 2 minutes. And we also already took your resting vitals, and we found that your heart rate is 64 beats per minute, and that your blood pressure is 108/74, and then also that you're at low risk for cardiovascular disease with 0 risk factors, which means we're going to go ahead and start the test today. So what's going to happen during the test is every minute, I'm going to take your RPE, and that's a rating of perceived exertion, and it's a test that measures your feeling of fatigue, of discomfort, as well as how you feel, how hard you're working. And so every minute I'm going to have you tell me on this scale, it's a 15-point scale, 6 to 20, your perceived exertion. And I'm also going to take your heart rate every minute, as well as your blood pressure every 3 minutes. And then if at any point during the test you feel dizzy or uncomfortable, or feel like you can't continue, go ahead and let me know. And then, so it looks like we're coming up on 2 minutes of warm-up. So according to ACSM, you're a conditioned female, so we're going to go ahead and up that workload to 2 kilopons. All right, so we're going to go ahead and start the test. And then before we started the test, we made sure the seat was at the proper height, and so we made sure that your seat was at level with your greater trochanter. So it looks like we're coming up on the first minute mark, so I'm going to go ahead and take your heart rate. Looks like you got your heart rate to be 120, and what would your RPE be on the scale right now?
About 11.
On the 2-minute mark, so I'm going to go ahead and take your heart rate again. Heart rate was 136, and on the RPE scale, what would you say your perceived exertion is right now?
About 13.
Coming up on the 3-minute mark, I'm gonna get ready to take your blood pressure. Looks like we got 142/76. I'm gonna go ahead and take your heart rate here too. So your heart rate is 144, and what would your RPE be?
About 15.
On the report, and you take your heart rate again. We've got 148, and what's your RPE?
Still 15.
And so in this next minute 5 and 6, if your heart rates are at steady state, so within 5 beats of each other, we'll be able to finish the test in 6 minutes. So I'm going to take heart rate for minute 5. You got 148 again, and then what would your RPE be?
15.
On the last minute, so I'm going to take one more blood pressure. Thank you. Looks like we got 146/78, and then I'm going to take your last heart rate. Alright. Looks like it was 152. And then since it was in 5 beats, we can go ahead and start your cool down. You're going to do a cool down for about 5 minutes. And then after the 5 minutes, we're going to take your heart rate and your blood pressure again. And thank you so much, Megan. You did great today.
Thanks.